I bought a used gate. It's big. I'm gonna say, wow, maybe 12 feet wide, and I'm assuming 4 feet tall. Yeah, 4 by 12. Yep, I'm gonna buy the rest of the parts and install it right here on our main living area, not the main gate. The main gate is all the way down there. There's no gate yet. Just a chain link. Yeah, but we're gonna put it right here, and the rest I'm gonna buy a chain link, metal chain links for the fence going around. That's gonna keep it secure from predators, wild dogs, coyotes, and all that. Yep. Yeah, can't wait to install it. It's 100 degrees plus, and it's raining. Do you believe that? I thought my son was messing with me using the spray, but no, it's raining. Weird. It seems like it's only raining here on our side of the land. See the rain cloud right there? Weird. Well, that's nice though. Very nice. Wow. That's a blessing right there. See those droplets on the front windshield? That's weird. Take a look. More rain clouds right here. That's weird. It seems like it's only going to our land here. Yeah, we're being blessed. Take a look. You guys see what I see? Right there, that's rain falling. So obviously the rain cloud is heading over here. So we're gonna get more rain. Yeah, just here in our land. It's raining. It's raining at 100-degree weather here in the desert. Weird, huh? So look at the rain cloud right there.
Imagine working on your car in the rain.
Yeah, I was gonna put coolant too.
Woo! I'm switching out a part in the engine brake.
Yeah, it's raining. Taking a shower, cold water. It's nice. Wow. Unexpected rain. But only here in our land though. You see that? Everywhere else, from far away, there's no rain clouds, so only here. Huh. Yeah, only here in our land. It's a blessing. I'm right on top right here. Yeah, the rain just finished. I don't know if that right there is coming also, but yeah, it's nice to see rain. But this is the view from the top, and let me turn it around and I'll show you. Man, see, there's another dog right there. It's becoming like a pound here, but that's fine. He can stay. And there's Red, that's another dog that showed up. And there's Bear right there, which showed up here as well. And there's Coco right there on the side. Yeah. Anyway, let me show you. Yeah, we need to clear that area right there. We need to dump all those in one area and pour some dirt on it, some sand. We'll do that. That's not a priority right now, but definitely we need to do that. Yeah, don't ask me what that is. I just put that up there. There's another pit, a big. I was gonna do that as a pond area. The old chicken coop. Here's our outdoor kitchen, dining area. There's the fire pit. There's mulberries and all the pines, citrus. One more mulberry right there. Pear, desert pine, more mulberry, desert pines right there, and jujube tree. Yep. And yeah, this is the back area. It's nice view. That's where the sun goes up. It's the sunrise. Let's go on the other side in front and let me show you. Here's the front area right here. See, I have all those 4 desert pines right there, and that's where I'm gonna put the gate. I think it's about to rain again, which is good. Never in a million years I would say I'm glad to see rain. You know how things changes. We are in drought, so we do need rain. Yeah, there goes our that's part of our land as well. So we're gonna build that later on. For now, it's just gonna be inside here. Concentrate on the inside. Yeah, that's it. Just showing you the view here, and it's great. Hey guys, I'd like to say thank you everyone for your support, and to all my subscribers, and yeah, thank you for all your suggestions and leaving me a comment and all that, and pressing that like button and sharing the videos. Again, from the deep of my heart, thank you so much.